Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on Automod automated actions. This is a powerful moderation tool that allows you to automatically apply kicks, mutes and bans to members based on the warnings they have received. Automod automated actions are best used in conjunction with Automod rule sets, which are covered in a separate video, so ideally you should set these up first. Log into the MEE6 dashboard. Click on the moderator link on the left side, which will take you to the moderator page. Automated Actions is below the Automod rule set section. Initially, this will be empty. Let's create our first automated action. Click on the Add Automated Action button. The automated action lets you configure the action to be taken based on the number of warnings, called infractions, that a member has received, and the time period in which they received these infractions. The actions available are ban. This bans the member. You can manually remove a ban with the unban command. Temp ban. This bans the member for a specified time, then removes the ban so they can rejoin the server. Mute. This mutes the member. You can manually remove a mute with the unmute command. Temp mute. This mutes the member for a specified time, then removes the mute so they can send messages again. Kick. This kicks the member from the server. They can rejoin the server at any time. You can set the number of infractions for any number between 1 and 150. You can set the time period for the automated action for anything from 1 second right up to nearly 1 year. Temporary mutes and temporary bans also have their own time setting, which works in the same way. Let's set up an automated action. This one will temp mute a member for 1 hour if they receive 3 infractions in 1 day. Once the settings have been selected, click on Save. Repeat to add other automated actions. The order of automated actions is important. MEE6 will start at the top of the automated actions list and will look for the first automated action that it can carry out. Once it has found one and actioned this, it will stop. In this example, a member would never get a 1-day temp mute or be banned. MEE6 will always carry out the 1-hour temp mute action when it sees the member has 3 infractions in 1 day, even if they have already had more than 3 infractions in this time. The ban action should be at the top of the list as it has the most infractions in this time. The 1-hour temp mute action should be at the bottom. You can change the order of automated actions by clicking on the arrow buttons next to each one. Once you have reordered these, click on Save. Here is an example of how you could set up automated actions. This one would deal with members who receive a few infractions in a short time, as well as members who receive a lot of infractions over a longer period. How you set up automated actions is up to you. There is no correct way to set this up, as every server is unique and has its own requirements. That covers Automod automated actions. Do check out the other Managing MEE6 tutorials.